Here's how to fix the Microsoft Store error. So first of all, you need to go ahead and check your internet connection. Turn off your VPN if it's on, and then go to your settings. Then after, go to network and internet. Here, tap on proxy and turn off user proxy server and enable automatically detect settings and restart your PC. After that, you can also try resetting the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the run command. And here type WS reset, select OK, and the Microsoft Store will open automatically. You can also try restarting the required services. So go ahead, press Windows plus R again, and from the run command that appears, type in services.msc, select OK, and restart the following services, that is Windows Update, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS, Delivery Optimization, Microsoft Store Install Service, and restart your PC. Hopefully this will help you fix the problem. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.